Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Take a look, Intuit Dome construction update. Clippers' new Intuit Dome to host 2026 NBA All-Star Game. The Clippers will move into the Intuit Dome beginning with the 2024-25 season after sharing an arena with the Lakers since 1999. The NBA All-Star Game is coming back to Southern California. The game featuring the NBA's best will be at the Intuit Dome, the future home of the Los Angeles Clippers in Inglewood. The All-Star Game will be the 7th in the Los Angeles area. Clippers owner Steve Ballmer, NBA Commissioner Adam Silver, and Inglewood Mayor Butts were at the Inglewood venue, which is still under construction, Tuesday for announcement. The Clippers will move into the Intuit Dome beginning with the 2024-25 season after sharing an arena with the Lakers since 1999. The arena is expected to open in August. The All-Star Game was previously in Los Angeles in 1963, 1972, 1983, 2004, 2011 and 2018. LA has played host to the game and the weekend of events that come with it more than any other city. This year's game will be in Indianapolis before San Francisco hosts in 2025. Inglewood also will be the site of the 2027 Super Bowl, having previously hosted the game in 2022 at SoFi Stadium, about a mile from the Intuit Dome. The city also is expected to host events for the 2028 Summer Olympics and, possibly, the 2026 World Cup. The Clippers have shared a home with the Los Angeles Lakers since 1999, when the two teams moved into the then Staples Center, since renamed Crypto.com Arena. But now the Clips will have their own stadium beginning in 2024. The Intuit Dome will be located right near SoFi Stadium, the home of the Los Angeles Chargers and LA Rams. As for what's ahead for the All-Star Game in the shorter-term future, the next iteration will be held at Gainbridge Fieldhouse, the home of the Indiana Pacers. That matchup will go down on February 18th and feature a return of the East versus West format. The 2025 All-Star Game will take place at San Francisco's Chase Center on Feb. 16.